Hi folks, my name is Brian Hee-sung Kim. I am the creator of the Data Analyst Augmentation Framework, and I'm here to show you how quickly you can install DAAF, as I call it, on your computer right now in under about 3.5 minutes. And so I'm going to talk you through this very basically because the point here is not to teach you how to do this. I have a whole guide for how to do that, which I'll link in the description below. We're already like halfway through the steps here, FYI. But yeah, the idea here is that you can install this anywhere you are on any computer with an internet connection, and you only need 4 prerequisites to kind of do exactly what I'm doing in this video yourself. First, you need a computer with internet. Second, you need Git installed. You need Docker installed. You need a terminal, and you need a high usage Anthropic Claude account. And I'll talk more about all of those different things and exactly how to do those in the full installation guide. The point here is just to show you how quick it can be once you have all those things set up. And so basically what you'll see in these steps is I am leveraging Docker, which is essentially a way of helping your computer install a bunch of stuff in an isolated environment that's totally firewalled off from the rest of your computer. And that's useful for a lot of reasons when you're using AI, LLM assistance for safety, for control, for defensive sort of protection, all that sort of stuff. But more importantly for this project, what it means is that I can help you install all the stuff that I use for Python. I can help you install Claude Code, and I can make sure that you do that pretty much automatically so that it works right out of the box. And it's a super replicable, reproducible environment, which is really convenient for helping people install kind of complicated things. What that basically means here is that I can have you run only a couple commands on your computer, and you can be up and running with DAAF and Claude Code on your computer in, as this video hopefully shows you, under 3.5 minutes. And so what you're seeing on screen right now is the Docker container is getting downloaded to the computer, which involves installing Python, it involves installing Claude, it involves installing some of the Python libraries that we use for data analysis with DAAF, like polars and Marimo for the notebook and review there. And you'll see that it's just finished. At this point, I launched Claude Code, ready to talk with Claude. But in order to use it properly, you have to essentially authenticate and link it to your high usage Claude account, which I do through the browser here. It only takes a couple of seconds if you're already logged in, especially. You cut and paste a couple of codes, and then that basically links your account to the Claude Code instance that you're running. And once you're done, you're basically ready to go. I encourage you to change a couple of settings once you're in there to make sure that you're using the right model. We really rely on a high-level frontier model for all of the work that we're doing with DAAF. And then we also want to change some of the settings in terms of how you interact with Claude. But you can see here, I'm 3 minutes in, and I am chatting with DAAF, with Claude. I'm asking it to give you a basic summary of what DAAF is. And we're off into the races about 3 minutes into the video. So hopefully that shows you can install DAAF right now. It's very quick, it's very easy. And the challenge here is how to use it. Talk more then.